topic is lesson number 11, number, and it is singular and plural number. So let's study what is a singular number and what is a plural number. So a noun which stands only for one person or thing, it is said to be in the singular number, as girl, man, child, pen, desk. And when we are saying that a noun which stands for more than one person or thing, excuse me, it is said to be in the plural number. Like girl is becoming girls, man, men is changing into men, child is becoming children. Now what is the difference? The difference is that here only s is added. Here man, a is changed by e, and here child is changed by adding ren. So we'll learn the different rules and we'll understand how singular is changed into plural. So now there are some rules of changing the singular noun into plural. So the first rule is only by adding s. So like most of the words, they are changed into plural only by adding s. Like book is becoming books, pen, pens, shop, shops, chair, chairs. Now rule number 2. Rule number 2 is saying that when a word ends with ch, sh, s, double s, x or z, then we add es to it and the word becomes plural. So now when we talk about ch, we have a word here, church or ostrich. So the word is ending with ch and we have added es here and it is becoming plural, that is ostriches. Bunch is becoming bunches. Church is becoming churches. Now when we talk about sh, sh is here it is wish. So wish is becoming es because the word is ending with sh, and what we have added? We have added es. When we talk about only s, I think there is no word here given in the example. So you can say about gas, gas, gas. It is ending with s and we are making it plural by adding es. So it is becoming gases. Same double s. If we are talking about double s, cross. Ending with double s, added what? Es. So cross is becoming what? Crosses. Now when we talk about x, fox, foxes. Next z, waltz, becoming waltzes. Okay. Next is a rule for y. One is when it is ending with y and having a consonant before it. Okay. Second rule will be y which has a vowel before it. So we'll study both differently. Okay. First is when the letter before a y is a consonant. Now 5 letters are vowels, a, e, I, o, u, and rest 21 are your consonants. In your alphabets, 5 are vowels and rest 21 are your consonant. Aryan Singh, please sit properly. So here, when the letter is C-I-T-Y, city, Y is the last letter, and before Y this is T, and T is a consonant. So Y we are changing into I and we are adding ES. So your word is becoming C-I-T-I-E-S, cities. Next, Y, and before Y is N. So P-O-N, Y is replaced by I and it is then added with ES. So it is becoming P-O-N-I-E-S, ponies. Family, Y, before Y it is L, it is a consonant, and now what it is becoming? F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S. So this is the third rule, that if there is a letter before Y and it is a consonant. Y is changed into I and then it is added with ES and the word becomes plural. Now again we say about rule number 4. If the word is ending with Y and it has a vowel before it, I have written it here. Okay. So now here you can say even if the word is ending by AY, EY, IY, OY or UY. So here we can see A, E, I, O and U. They are vowels and after vowel there is a Y. So when such kind of words are there, your singular changes into plural only by adding S, like DAY. So AY, days. EY, S. Again it's becoming keys. OY, it's becoming boys. UY, guys. Guy is becoming guys. So this is the fourth rule. Fifth rule. When the word is ending in F or FE, so what happens? The word changes into plural by changing that F or FE into VES. So what are we going to do? See, when the word ends in F or FV, change the F or FV to V. So F and FV is changing to V as we learned in Y. Y changes into I and we add ES. So when there is F or FV, FE, they are changing into V and again we are adding ES. For example, knife. So word is ending with FE. So when we change it into plural, F and E is becoming V and we are adding ES. So the word is becoming KNIVES, knives. Again, if the word is ending with F, so we are changing F into V and adding ES. So it is becoming leaves. Same is with life, wife, hoof, then thief. Now, some nouns, they form plural only by adding S. We do not add VES. This is the rule of grammar that they are simply changed from singular to plural, though they are ending with F. Like when we talk about chief, it becomes chiefs. If we talk about roof, it becomes roofs. So some words are there which do not change into VES. Now moving on the sixth rule. Sixth rule is saying that if the noun is ending with O, or you can say a word, if a noun is ending with O and comes after an consonant, then we only add ES. Example, I'll say like tomato. This is the last word, letter, and before this T is the consonant. So what are we doing? We are only adding ES to it. Again, if I say hero, O is the vowel, or you can say ending with O words, only with O letters. And before O there is R. So what are we doing? We are just ending ES and it is becoming heroes. Okay. Next rule is, sometimes what happened, a word may completely change its form when a plural is made. Like child, it becomes children. We can't say childs. This will be a wrong word. We say child for one and for more than one we say children. Same, one person, and if we are speaking about many person, then what we will say? People. Goose, it becomes geese. Man becomes men. Woman becomes woman. And cactus become cacti. Fungus becomes fungi. This is the plural form. Okay. Moving to rule number 8. Sometimes a word may stay the same in both singular and plural form. How? Fish, one fish, and if there are more than one fish, what do we say? Many fish. We do not say fishes. Same, deer, sheep, series, They all become plural. Also, we speak deer, moose, sheep, series. Trout and tuna is the name of species of fish. Okay. Now, rule number 9 is saying that sometimes some nouns form their plural only by changing the inside vowel. Like here, foot. So, double O is changed into double E and it is becoming feet. Tooth, teeth. Woman, woman. So, A is changing into E, double O is changing into double E. Now there is another word or there is another kind of noun which is called compound noun. So what is a compound noun? Compound noun is a noun which is made up of two or more words and each word makes a part of the meaning of the noun. Now see, I'll explain you. It can be written in three ways. First is single word like when you say haircut, toothpaste. When we say about two words, it can be ice cream, rain, forest. Ice plus cream, rain plus forest. If I say hyphenated word, hyphenated means you can see the small dash here. It means these three words are linked with each other. Brother-in-law, passer-by. Now, when such hyphenated words are there, how do we know that how are we going to make it plural? So we can never write, we should never write brothers-in-laws. We write two brothers. If we want to make brother into plural, it will become brothers and in-law will remain same. So what the word will become? Brother-in-law singular and brothers-in-law plural. Now, there are some nouns which remain singular. They do not come in plural form, like furniture, news, scenery. And some nouns are always plural, like cattle, trousers, scissors, cloth. They are plural only. We never say them at singular. When we are talking, give me scissors, you can't say give me scissor because it has two parts. If you have seen a scissor, scissor has two parts. Again, trouser. Trouser, when we wear trouser, it has two parts. Okay. Same, clothes. You never say give me a cloth. You say clothes. Okay. When the subject changes from singular to plural, the predicate of the sentence must change too. Now here if I say about a sentence, a fox has a tail. So a fox is the subject. What is the subject? We are saying about this, a noun. And what is said about the subject is your predicate. So I am saying a fox has a tail. So when I am changing the subject into plural, how I am changing? A fox is becoming foxes. So now this is the predicate. So this must also change. This should also be changed. So what it will become? It will become foxes have tails. So here subject is also changed and predicate is also changed.